When Pope Francis, with the help of two young children, released doves from the pontifical apartment on Sunday, the birds were attacked by a large black crow and a hungry seagull in front of tens of thousands of onlookers. The Pope had released the doves after asking those in the square to pray for peace in the Ukraine and for a 3-year-old boy who had been killed in a mafia vendetta attack in southern Italy last week. There's no word on whether or not the Pope's doves survived the attack, but it was certainly not a good omen for peace.
Two children joined Pope Francis for his weekly prayer from the papal apartments. The pontiff used the service to call for peace and reconciliation in Ukraine, and to symbolise this, the children released two white doves into the air.
Bye.
But as they took off, one was attacked by a passing seagull, while the other was repeatedly pecked by a crow. Noticeably upset, the Pope embraced the boy and patted his head, while the young girl just laughed. It's not known what happened to the doves after the incident.